Since you had homework in your book and we won't have a chance now to go over it today, let's do it on video. So the first homework page was on 248. This is exercise 2. So the only thing you needed to do here was to underline the clauses. And remember, a clause is a subject and a verb. So here it says, I couldn't hear. That's our first subject and verb, right? And then what you said. That's our second subject and verb, starting with a WH word. So remember that noun clauses can start with that, or they can start with question words like if, and the WH words what, where, when, wherever, however, right? So this is our main clause here, and this is our noun clause. In question number 2, what did you say? There's only one subject and there's only one verb, so there's only one clause. This is just a regular clause. Just like a sentence could be simple or compound or complex, a question can too. So we would call this a simple question. What's going on here? All right, number 3. No one knows where Tom went. All right, so in this example, how many clauses do we have? We have 2. No one knows. So no one is our subject and knows is our verb. And then where Tom went is our second clause. So this is a complex sentence. We have our main clause here, and then we have our noun clause. So up until now, we talked about complex sentences with adverb clauses, but you can also have complex sentences with noun clauses. So this is our dependent clause, our noun clause, where Tom went. All right, number 4. Where did Tom go? Did you underline one time? That would be correct. That's just a simple, regular old question. One clause. Number 5. I'd like to know where Tom went. So how many clauses? Here we have subject and verb. And then here we have another subject and verb. And this one starts with a WH question, word, right? Where. And that is also a word that starts a noun clause. So here we have a noun clause. So that's a complex sentence with a noun clause. Our next one, number 6. How do you know where Tom went? So this one has a question mark at the end. How many clauses are in this question? We have how do you know? And we have where Tom went. So this is a complex question. We have our regular question part, how do you know? And then we have our noun clause part, where Tom went. So that's just a really quick introduction to clauses in sentences, complex sentences with noun clauses, but we'll spend a lot more time.